Mama, Lipila, Sundowns you win. It's a great day for you, ne?
Too much.
Yeah. So your thoughts on this game? We won't even game, ma'am.
Game here today, ne? Ke Sundowns so easy.
Yes.
Shushan and piano.
Yes.
From the back to the front. Bona Alende. Bona Mukwena.
Yes.
Bona Mudiba.
Incredible.
Matthews.
Yes.
Batho ba ska mo fella pelo. She is coming. Ke phela ke ba botsa always he's our player. Next season o tlo bona.
O tlo bona metlholo.
O tlo bona metlholo.
Then Hugo Bruce yana ka bana go mme squad sa South Africa o reng kwena.
You know what? We can't force him. But to my knowledge, midfield was Sundowns who deserve go squad.
Cup, yes.
And we are World Cup. Matthews, I thought he will be there.
Yeah, but he wasn't there.
Next time, he will be there.
Yes. So, we face our Kaizer Chiefs on Wednesday. What's your thoughts on that one?
Orabale ba December. Bao ba le brand ya December.
Yes.
Ba le ke feditse kgale ka bona.
Ga, no feditse
Mara
ka
you
bona.
know what I like about them?
Yeah.
For the first time this season, Sundowns supporters, Chief supporters, they are supporting Sundowns.
Yeah.
Is the thing that I like. Bolandani, like you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bara banya ke league so wait to go.
Yes, so wait because of they know they've got their issues.
Yes.
Family
issues.
Kidi family issues,
Yeah.
the neighbors issues.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we are going to win this league on our own.
Yeah, ne?
Without favor.
Mere kwa rena go no feta fela.
Mereko rena. Bona rena le player e nngwe tse keng.
Yeah. What's the guy?
Yo, that player ne.
Yeah.
Wa mitizwana.
Ya meet is one.
Mushishi.
Ya meet Mshishi.
Shigabala.
Shikapala. Number 18.
Bona.
Yes.
He is our player.
Yeah.
Bona wadi kakansa. Ka 66 passes. He was there.
Yeah.
Bona.
Yeah.
66.
Yeah.
And the Sundowns is a club of the history.
Yeah.
What is
Yes.
Korki legend there ko botsa so. Oh, Utamele, my brother.
Yes.
We are the legend.
Yes. Yes.
Every history in the league from Sundowns.
So you are taking the league this season?
League tako botsa 20 ke ba fa yona after 10 times champion.
Yeah.
I get utlile Ivan Khoza o reng o tlhaba ke digala ke.
Yeah.
A nyo ko re fa time to rest.
Yes.
O re tladisa Pirate idle this week. Sundowns ya
Yadlala.
no matter what, we are going to take this league 10 times. Kuto are o nyoko fa star he o win 2 times.
Se ka sona Stasi.
Re batlo se bona mara sa re bora.
Yeah.
Na re batla the second star.
From CAF Champions League.
From CAF Champions League.
Yes.
And on our own, on our difficulties, bona kutwa botlhoko.
Yeah.
Kutwa botlhoko ntwe ba retsang yona.
Yeah.
But we are going there.
We remain strong.
We remain strong.
Thank you so much, member.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kabuyelo, ha ba re
Kabuyelo.
shutelle.
Yes.
Shutera tsamaya. Re ko number 1.
Obviously.
And number 1 will remain number 1. Re sa ko morao.
Arisa kumra mama.
Ka laboraro. Taberele tak bono nya no re 5 points behind.
Yeah. Yes.
8.
Referee.
Referee.
Thank you so much, member.
Thank you.
Sharp.